Part 11. He didn't sound worried, and I knew he would hide him and not take him back. Not for a while, at any rate. What Murad stated, Adam as if knew it beforehand. He knew that, at any rate, Murad would not send the horse back that very day. He would keep it for some time. Where will you hide him? I said. I know a place, he said. Now Adam was sure that Murad has not stolen the horse this morning. It has been done some days earlier, because the demeanor of Murad proves this, that he has not taken it out some moments back. It's a long practice. Now Adam charged him directly. How long ago did you steal this horse? I said. Just find how smart Murad is. What was his answers? It suddenly dawned on me that he had been taking these early morning rides for some time and had come for me this morning only because he knew how much I longed to ride. Murad was not selfish. He loved his cousin Murad, and he also knew that how he longed to ride the horse. So when he mastered over this matter, he came to his cousin Adam just to offer him to have a ride. Who said anything about stealing a horse? He said. He didn't answer, but he changed the tone just a little bit. When he was asked, when did you steal the horse? Contrary, he asked the question to him without giving the answer. Who said anything about stealing a horse? He said. Anyhow, I said, how long ago did you begin riding every morning? Okay, forget it. You have not stolen it. Just tell me from which time you started riding on it. Not until this morning, he said. Why, this morning only? Are you telling the truth? I said. Of course not, he said. How smart! How smart! When he was asked, are you telling the truth? Surely not. But if we are found out, that's what you are to say. I don't want both of us to be liars. You know that this horse came to you this morning only, and you should stick to this view. You will tell this only. I don't want both of us to be liars. All you know is that we started riding this morning, okay? This much you should know. All right, I said. He walked the horse quietly to the burn of a deserted vineyard, which at one time had been the pride of a farmer named Fedvagian. There were some oats and dry alfalfa in the burn. Once this person, Fedvagian, was a good farmer, and he has a long garden or cropland. We began walking home. Now Murad is describing.